A user-defined feature, or UDF as it's better known, captures features or groups of features so that they can be used later to easily recreate geometry in other design models. UDFs can be saved to a centralized library and then used to easily and accurately recreate geometry in models throughout your organization. To place a UDF in a model, click User-Defined Feature from the Get Data group of the Model tab. Select the UDF from the dialog box. If your company has a library of UDFs, you will open it from that library location. Select the UDF and click Open. Then click OK to accept the default Advanced Reference configuration. Notice that there is a reference model that has opened in a sub-window. The reference model was created for this UDF to help you see how the UDF should be placed by displaying the references that the UDF requires. If you need some more room, just resize the window or move things around. If we look in the Placements tab of the User-Defined Feature Placement dialog box, we see that the first reference of the UDF is a sketch plane. The red dot next to Select One Item and the sketch plane message below it indicates that we need to select a sketch plane for the UDF. Also notice that the sketch plane reference is highlighted in red on the reference model itself. Select a similar sketch plane surface on the connecting rod model. When reference number 2 is selected, we can see in the dialog box and on the reference model that datum plane right was used to orient the feature's sketch. Select an orientation plane on the connecting rod. Select reference number 3 and check the dialog box for what kind of reference needs to be selected. In this case, we're looking for a cylindrical surface, just like the one highlighted in the reference model. Select the cylindrical surface in the connecting rod. You can edit the size of the UDF if you click on the Variables tab in the dialog box. Edit the value for the D5 dimension from 2 to 4 and notice that the UDF has become larger. In the Adjustments tab, the Flip button can be used to change the orientation of the feature to the other side of the cylinder. Finally, click Accept to complete the feature placement. Take a quick look at the model tree and notice that the UDF is now grouped as Keyway. The group includes the extrude feature that removed material and the chamfer at the top of the extrude. Using UDFs in Creo Parametric can help you capture the design intent and geometry of selected features or groups of features so they can be used to easily duplicate geometry in any of your designs.